Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel, we're going to be taking a look at this Icon flashlight right here. You know, I picked this up recently. I currently have the Braun one, which I really like the Braun one right here. The Braun one, I mean, it rotates all the way around. You can spin it. It's really nice right here. So the Braun one puts out a decent amount of light. I found this one. I was curious about it, so I picked it up right here. Now, one thing that really bugs me about this Icon light right here is the fact that the big light is on the back side. And when I'm working on something, I usually have it kind of extended out like that and mounted up, you know, on the surface right here. And I'm stuck using this light right here. So I'm going to change that today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull out these screws right. I'm going to pull out these screws right here, and I'm going to see if I can get this piece turned around in here. Now, this, may void the warranty that I have on it. I'm fine with that, but it really bugs me being stuck using that piece of it right there. So, whereas this, puts out a little bit more light, and yeah. So, let's go on ahead and dive into it here, and let's get on it. So, to remove these screws right here, it looks like there's one right here, another one right here, one down in here. So that's 3 total, and then one right here, so 4. So we'll be removing these right here. Looks like it's going to be a size 2 Allen key. Okay, so inside of here, so on each side of this light bar right here, there are 2 small holes on it, and there's a plastic dowel in here and a plastic dowel on this side, on the inside of this cover, that lock it in. It looks like right here, so it holds it at a certain spot. So I can get one in. The other one feels a little bit snug, like it's trying to go in, but it's not quite going. But I'm gonna see if I can get it. The screw holes do line up though right here, so I'm gonna try and screw it down and see if that'll get it for us here. Here. All right, much better. I like that. I might take this piece apart again right here and trim off the other nub on the other side, because it just feels like it's just kind of holding it out a little bit right here. You can see the seam is open a little bit. So I cleaned this up a little bit more right here. I cleaned off one of the nubs on the other side right here and got it pretty smooth. So we're gonna try and reassemble it and see if that goes a little better now. Okay, guys, so there it is. We got the small light facing the other way. And then we got the big light right here facing the way that I want it. When I turn it on right here, it's definitely going to be a lot better for the stuff that I'm working on here. So yeah, I'm happy with it right here. The light doesn't move at all, doesn't move around in there at all. Again, if you guys are going to do this with yours, make sure you do so at your own risk. Again, I can't take responsibility if you guys bust your light. I just wanted to see if I could do that with this, and worked out all right. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.